Where to find the best sites. Legal and paralegal careers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about energy saving tips for a dairy farm. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about energy saving tips for a dairy farm is www.omafra.gov.on.ca. See the page titled 25 Quick On-Farm Energy Saving Tips, Ontario. This is the link. You can also try energy.gov, especially the page Energy Saver Department of Energy. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.dairysavings.co.nz. The web page Genesis Dairy Farm Energy Savings Calculator. This is the link.